Good morning class. Last week we learnt about financing decision, that is arrangement of various sources of finance and creation of capital structure. This week we will be learning about the investment decision. This is the second important decision once the funds have been arranged through the financing decision. Now these funds have to be invested. This is known as capital plan. Funds are invested in two ways. One is on fixed capital and secondly on the working capital. Let's together learn how these funds are invested in fixed capital, what is fixed capital and why is this decision of investment important.
Fixed capital refers to investment in assets which remain invested in business for more than 1 year. Nature is of long-term investment. It comprises investment in long-term assets like land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and fixtures, vehicles and equipment. Fixed capital refers to investment in long-term assets. Decision regarding investment in fixed capital is also known as capital budgeting decision. Fixed capital should be financed through long-term sources, equity or preference shares, debentures, long-term loans, and retained earnings. It includes expenditure on acquisition, expansion, modernization, and replacement of fixed assets, and also expenditure on advertisement campaigns or research and development which have long-term implications. Let us study the importance of fixed capital. Long-term growth and effects. Investment of funds in long-term assets yield return in the future. Large amount of funds involved. Fixed capital involves blocking of substantial portion of funds in long-term projects.
So taking the decisions related to fixed assets, that is capital budgeting decision, is quite important. It involves huge amount of funds. Therefore, we can also say that such investments are quite risky, as well as these decisions are irreversible. For example, once the land has been purchased through this capital budgeting decision, as well as plant and machinery has been installed, it becomes quite difficult, rather irreversible, to take these decisions in the opposite manner. So, decisions regarding the capital budgeting, decisions regarding the fixed capital, they are quite important. They involve huge amount of funds, they are quite risky, these decisions are irreversible, and rather once the decisions are taken, they will be fetching us benefits, growth for a longer period of time. I hope you are clear what is capital budgeting and why is this decision important. Further, we'll be elaborating about the factors affecting the fixed capital investment through the animation. Thank you.